Hello students, now let's start exercise 1.1 question number 10. A water tank has steps inside. You see in the picture, here is the water tank and these are the steps. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That means on the first step he is sitting. The water level is at the 9th step. So after the 9th step, water level will come. Now see part 1. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. That means 3 steps he is moving it downwards. 1, 2, 3. He is moving 3 steps downwards and again back he is moving 2 steps. In how many jumps he will reach the water level? So just understand on the number line. Suppose these are the steps. This is first step, then second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now see, he is on first step. Now 3 steps he will jump. So after 3 steps he will be at 4, because at one step 2, second step 3 and 3 steps he will be at 4th stair. Now again he is jumping back 2 steps. So again he will come at second step. Again he will jump 3 steps. So he will come at 5th stair. Again backward jump for the 2 steps. So again he will come on the 3rd stair. Again 3 steps from the 3rd. Count 4, 5, 6. Now he will be at the 6th stair. Again he will jump backward 2 steps. So he will be on 4th stair. Again 3 steps forward. 4, 5, 6, 7. He will come on 7th stair. Again 2 stairs backward. He will be on 5th stair. Again 3 steps forward. He will come on 8th stair. Then again 2 steps backward. He will back on 6th stair. Now from 6, 3 steps forward, he will come on 9th stair and he will reach at water level. So now let's start counting jumps. This is 1, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jumps, 5 jump, 6 jump, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 jumps. So totally he is jumping 11 times to reach at the water level. Is it clear? Now see another way for solution. You can look here. First step he was at the first stair, then 3 jumps. So he will be at 4th step. Then second jump he is taking back side. So minus 2, because 2 jumps, 2 steps here, 2 steps he will take back. So we are doing here negative. Clear? So again he will be on second stair. Okay. Then third jump, from second to third jump 3 steps he will jump. So he will be on 5th stair. Again he will jump 2 steps backward. So 5 minus 2, he will be at 3rd step. Similarly we will see he will come at the 9th step. So how many jumps he are taking? He are taking 11th jumps. Okay students, clear? Now see second part. After drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps he will be reach back to the top step? See here. Suppose these are the stairs. He is at 9th stair. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Monkey is at the 9th stair. Now what he is doing? He is taking 4 steps up and 2 steps back. 4 steps up So he will come at 5. Clear? Because he is taking 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 2 steps back. 1 and 2. He will come at 7. Okay. Then again count 4 steps. He will come at 3rd step. Again 2 steps backward. He will at 5th stair. Again 4 steps. So how many jumps? He is coming at 1st stair. How many jumps he is taking? 1, 2, 3. Backward jumps count 4 and 5. Total he is taking 5 jumps. Clear? Students, clear? He is taking 5 jumps. Now see 3rd part. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number of steps move up by positive integer, represent his moves in part 1 and 2. See here, we are representing downwards steps by a negative integer. So initially monkey is coming 3 steps downward. So this is represented by negative and then 2 steps backward. These are represented by positive. That's why we are taking -3 plus 2. How many times you have to take this? 11 times. Okay. See here. How many times we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. Because in 11 jumps he is reaching. So answer will come -8. You will solve, you will see. In the next, what monkey is doing? He is starting from the downwards. He is taking 4 jumps upwards. So +4, then 2 jumps backward, then -2. Okay students, like this way we got this equation. Second B, we solve. What answer we will get? In first we will get -8. In B part you will get 8. Okay student, so you have to solve. If you feel any difficulty, you can share with me. Just you solve in your note copy. Okay students, thank you.